Noise. Good morning, everybody. Futures is falling like a hot potato. Thanks to Apple, Nvidia, everything winning, going down. So, anyhow, let's see what's going on. Yesterday market fell thanks to Apple and Nvidia, and today continue down more for on Apple. Right now, ES it's bottoming here a little bit, so but there's still chance to go lower. 1 minute MACD golden crossing pre-market, 5, 15, 30, everything is still downward. 4 hour still downward, and daily MACD is curving down. TTM squeeze is becoming same size. So if you get a dark blue bar on the TTM squeeze daily, then that's gonna be horrible. Um, Here's the thing. It's a short week, and in the past we had many situations that surprised happened. So just putting this scenario out here, if it happens, just be ready for it. A lot of time in the past, short weeks, market seems like it's crashing, but then suddenly near end of the week, toward end of the week, it suddenly bounces up crazy for whatever reason. Just putting it out there if in case it happens. But for now, everything is downward. Anyhow, 44.2675 ES is the next target there. NQ, same thing downward, and we got a dark blue bar on the daily. If the MACD daily that crosses anytime soon, is gonna be horrible for market. 15 of 58 71, that's the next target. Passes that one, we can go harder down and retest the lows of last 2 3 weeks. Same thing about ES. So ES, if it continues going lower and daily MACD dead cross, yep, we just got a dark blue bar, and we can go retest the lows of last few weeks. Um, Anyhow, TNX 0.37 lower. It opened higher, but then it's pulling back. So that's a good thing to watch. For now, direction is down on TNX and the 5, 15, 30, and 1 hour is about to dead cross. So if you see TNX pull back, that could help the market bounce. DXY is still green. Again, this one touched 105, 145, and right now it's pulling back from it. So this is actually really good. 5 minutes MACD dead crossing, 15 is pointing down, 30 we got a dark blue bar, and probably with the TNX and DXY falling, there is a chance that there'll be a lot of profit locking at open and the put people who held put overnight. But then if these accelerated down, market can bounce up. Weeks, we got 7% higher, so everything pointing up right now. Daily we got a yellow bar. Next key level to watch is 1586. If we pass 1586, then we're looking at 1639, 1726, and 1812. That's the next major level. But as always, pay attention to the 15 and 30. If you see 5 starts dead crossing and then followed by 15 and 30, then there is a chance market bounces up. But BTC, nothing exciting there. Pointing downward, but is holding up the lows of these range in the weekly that you see there. Apple. Apple is just falling like a hot potato. This one 175.82. If it can hold there, we're looking at 174.95, 174.08, 173.53. That's 173.53 is the next major level. This China banning iPhone is becoming a big problem, and if they expanded more, they did expand it more last night. And if they expanded even more to the other stuff, 171.47 is the next major level after 173.54. Direction is very very down on the 4 hour and hourly. Again, as until we don't see a yellow bar on the 4 hour TTM squeeze, there is no hope for a major bounce up. Amazon. It's starting and slowly joining, but it's still holding up stronger than other names. 133.34, that's a key level to watch. If it can hold there, 132.46 is the next major level. If passes 132.46 for whatever reason, next major level is 128.72. Nvidia, this one, one of the another big reason the market is falling. So 150 454.06. If you see it breaks 447.56, for sure is gonna come. Below that 441.76 is the next major level. Direction was way down on the 5, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour. Until we don't have a 1 hour golden cross, this is going down. And the day of dark, yesterday we got a dark blue bar, and most likely we'll have a dead cross soon on the daily. um Baba, Baba is interesting. It's gapping down today, but direction is down on the 5, 15, 30, and 1 hour. And five is already golden crossing, but need to have a recovery. So for now, three key levels to watch: 90.56, 91.87, and 93.53. Breaks 93.53 and 90.56, it can have a bigger move. The thing is about Baba is that it was holding up stronger yesterday, and it was still in the range up, but right now opening below 93.53 doesn't look so good. But anyhow, we'll see what happened there. Bidu to 137.27 is a major level. If you can't hold it, we're looking at 135, 133, 130, 172. Direction pre-market on 15:30, 1 hour is downward, 4 hours still crazy downward. Netflix, same thing. Everything is just downward. I mean, Netflix was interesting yesterday. It jumped quick at open, pulled back, then it had a not bad, no, I don't want to say strong, but not a bad close. And yes, and today is retesting 430.99. So this one, it's in the category of strong names because of daily is still upward and weekly is flat. So 439, 437 is a key level to watch. It's possible to bounce off 437. So if it goes lower, but if it can hold 437 to 76, then lower level we watching. I don't know why this is not working. Okay, 437.76. If it can hold it, then we're looking at 432, 426, 423. But 437, watch that. It's a key point. It's possible to bounce off the wood. Meta, Meta, Meta is still holding up strong. 295.76 and 292.65. Those are the key supports for now. If it breaks 292.65, then it can go for a big fall. Direction pre-market on 15:30 is 1 hour is downward, but is holding up 295.76 very strong. So until it doesn't break it strong, it's still in the consolidation mode. Tesla is just crazy, making a new low for now. 244, between 242 and 246, it was very interesting. That was a key level that it jumped off on 829, and then it went up crazy, and then it just been since then this 3 day just wild moves, and right now it's coming back to these levels. So if it can hold, look here, I mean, if you see here, 244, so it's critical point right now. If it misses 242.97, if it misses 242.97, then next major level is 239, 237.9. But 246.1 is the major levels you want to watch that. If it goes above it anytime today, then it can go back for recovery again. Pre-market right now, 15:30, 1 hour, 4 hours downward. Until we don't have a solid golden cross on the 1 hour and 4 hour, this direction is downward. Daily is still bullish on the daily, but it's just wild move. You want to pay attention to the price action at open especially. So two key levels to watch this morning: 242.97 and 246.1. Breaks either one, it can have a bigger move. Breaks 246, it can run up back to 252. Goes below 242, it can go to 237 on lower level. Microsoft, 3 points lower, still holding up compared to other names, is strong. 329.41. If you can't hold it, we're looking at 327.41, 326.17. 331 is a key level for a bounce up. Direction is still down on the 15:30 and 1 hour and 4 hour. What else you got here? Google. Google is still just up and down. The movements are very small, so direction is down like other names, but the movements are very small there. 130, 271, and 134.15. Those are the two key levels to watch. Breaks either one, it can make a bigger move. AMD gapping down thanks to Nvidia. 105, 105.69. If it breaks that one, and next support is 103.2, 101.66. But just keep in mind, 100 was a level that last time it bounced off big 10, like 10%. So we'll see how it does this time. If it goes above 108.18, then it's gonna get interesting. Good morning, Josh. Yes, please like the videos. Boeing. The Boeing was very weak yesterday, and once 216.25, 214.61, those are the key level to watch. If it breaks that one, 211.95 is coming. But at the same time, look here is interesting that now a BA got a first yellow bar on the 4 hour. So that's what you want to see on other names. Once that happens, those are the signs of bottom coming. SPY. 424 4203. That's the major level to watch today. So right now is below 443.71. Breaks either one is gonna have a bigger move. 442.03 if it breaks anytime today or this week. We're looking at next major level 439.9, 437.77, and 436.45. Those are the next major levels. If for whatever reason today it bounces up and goes above 443.71, it can recover, go for head for recovery. Again, we want to see a 4 hour yellow bar, and we want to see 1530 MACD golden cross. For now, they're pointing down, but if they do golden cross on the 15 and 30, then market can do the surprise that I mentioned. QQQ. Good morning, Josh. Yes. QQ 370.86. It's below that one, so for now direction is down in general. 367.54 is the next major level, but if it goes above 370.86, it's gonna get interesting. What else you got here? Roku was just crazy. Roku is another example that I always say pay attention to the 15 and 30. So Roku was very bullish, gapped up, went up, jumped up at open, but then as soon as it opens, 1 minute in the first 10 minutes got a dead cross, then followed by 5 minutes, but then it confirmed 15 and 30 MACD dead cross in the first like 1 hour and 1 hour and a half. And when you see that, it means change of direction. And look how big it went down. So always pay attention to the 15 and 30 combination. Right now is holding 84.43. I'm gonna avoid this name for now because the 4 hours dead crossing, so don't see it going back up for now. What else? You got AI, 10% lower, 26.96 if you can hold it. We are looking at 25.82 is the next level to watch. 25.82. So if it can hold 25.82, then we can go to the lower level to 20s. What else you got here? U is interesting. Keep an eye on this one. It went up big last few days, and right now it's pulling back. So, but keep an eye on this one. Is interesting too. What else you got here? OSTK was crazy, like 20-30% lower yesterday, because of Bed Bath Beyond news. Let me take a look at my scanner. So now, if there's any symbol you're interested, let me know. 588.21 if you can hold it. 582, 578, 574, 569. AVGO. So 859 if you can hold it. 851.64 and 844.89 is the next target. LRCX. It's gonna join AMD, so 679 if you can hold it. We're looking at 675, 672. What else you got here? MDB. These are the bearish names pre-market. So 373.97 if you can hold it. 367, 360.96 is the next major level. Costco was strong yesterday, but pulling back right now. And nothing looks bullish. Yep, that's pretty much it. As always, please like and subscribe. Say Option Service if you like to join in, or chartwiser.com if you want levels. And again, if you see 1530 MACD golden cross today, market can head for a surprise. Grab whatever lotto call you can, because Friday can be green. And there's a lot of Fed people talking today, so they're gonna make market very volatile today. And we need to get back above 443.71 for market to reverse up. but 442.03, if it passes, market can head down crazier. Weeks is direction setter for market, is a good guide for market. If you see 1530 MACD dead cross, then we can get a bullish day tomorrow. But if it passes 1586, then this this red market can go even more red. Yep. Best of luck. Thank you so much for tuning in.